She needs some work, man. I think it turned out pretty sick. Yo, what's up, everybody? Alright, man, I picked up a beast, guys. Check this thing out. $1,300cc turbocharged Busa engine inside of a chromoly frame. I just picked it up. She's been sitting around for years. This thing is one bad mamma jamma, but I can't wait to ride it. But before I do that, I got to go through it. I want to take it all apart, make sure everything's safe, go through everything, change the fluids. We'll paint it up a little bit, make it look good. We'll pop it back together and take this bad boy for a ride. So let me get to work. Let me tear this bad boy apart. Let me make her look different. See ya. Alright guys, I'm just about done with this bad boy. And I was going to put the fenders on it, but I figured, hey, let me pull you guys in so we can take a closer look at it. Let you guys know the details that I figured out on this thing as I was rebuilding it. I don't know all the details, but I can tell you right now, I know more than I knew before I started tearing this bad boy apart. So we'll start with the chassis. It's a full chromoly chassis. It weighs 61 pounds with the front spindles on it. It's about 9.5 feet long from the rear tire to the front tire. We're running spindle mount billet aluminum front wheels. It's got a billet aluminum steering rack. Running the Suzuki LTR 450 fenders to keep the Suzuki feel. It's got standard ATV hand controls for brake and throttle. Hydraulic clutch from the Suzuki Hayabusa. The factory Suzuki ATV gas tank, so all the fenders line up. All electronics now are housed underneath the seat. It's got a Dynajet Power Commander 3, the CDI box, the battery, the backrest to hold your ass on this bad boy when she launches. The fuel pump is housed underneath that plate that holds all electronics now. And then for the rear end, it's a Honda TRX 300EX rear axle with a Honda TRX 450R caliper and rotor and a Suzuki LTR 450 drive sprocket. And then for the wheel hubs, they're actually Banshee wheel hubs. So there's definitely some thinking there, man. And then the tires that are on it right now, they're Hoosier dirt oval tires that are being used for asphalt racing, but I don't plan on running this thing on the asphalt. I want to make this thing a dirt drag quad. So I'm actually looking for those big digger tires. They have like the 1 7/8 paddles on them, but they need a special wheel because they're so big. And I can't find a wheel big enough with the Banshee lug pattern. So I got to find a company to make me the wheels to fit the tires. So if you guys know where I can get a set of those wheels and tires to fit a Banshee hub, let me know, man. Leave me a comment. That'll help me out big time. So let's work our way down the bike. Your footrest, rear brake. Then the Busa motor. This is a Gen 1 1999 Suzuki Hayabusa engine. It's got a stock bottom crank. It's got rods and pistons, lowered compression, and valve work for the turbo. So there is work done to this bad boy. And it's paired up with this 58mm turbocharger system from Mr. Turbo, which actually has an AR60 housing, which is a smaller housing, which would make the turbo spool up faster. But the total boost that it's creating, I'm not sure. With the engine mods that are done, you know, it could be producing anywhere from 5, 10, 15, maybe even 20 pounds of boost, which will put this in the 300, 350 plus horsepower range. So when you're talking about 300 plus horsepower on a 60-pound frame, you're definitely talking about a rocket ship without wings. And that's what this thing is. So let me finish this thing out. Let me throw the fenders on it. Let me throw it down on the ground. And let's see how she turned out. See ya! Alright guys, so we got that one all wrapped up and ready to go, and I think it turned out pretty sick. And this thing's gonna be absolutely insane to ride when we're able to ride it. We can't take it outside right now because I probably got about a foot of snow out in the Poconos, and this ain't no bike to be taken out into the snow. So when the weather gets better, that'll be the next video on this bike, and we'll be putting gas and fire into the cylinders and see what this bad boy's got. So till the next project guys, I'll see you. Peace!